सदर मजलिस बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने राजस्थान के अलवर में मंदिर के इन्हदाम के लिए बीजेपी और कांग्रेस को जिम्मेदार करार दिया। मीडिया से बात करते हुए बैरिस्टर ओवैसी ने कहा कि म्यूनिसिपालिटी बोर्ड पर बीजेपी का कब्जा है और इसके फैसले को अशोक गहलोत ने अमली जामा पहनाया। बैरिस्टर ओवैसी ने कहा है कि मंदिर इन्हदाम के मामले में आरएसएस, बीजेपी और कांग्रेस को माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Because the demolition decision was taken by a municipality board which is headed by the BJP, and the decision to demolish that mandir was very willfully accepted by the Congress government headed by Mr. Ashok Gehlot. So that is why I have called it a condemnable decision by a municipality board which is headed by BJP, and the decision was very gleefully implemented by the Ashok Gehlot government. So that is why I have said that the BJP, RSS and the Congress government Rajasthan should apologize for what they have done, and also should apologize for all the attacks that have taken place in Karoli also. Yes, because it is that municipality board is headed by BJP, and the decision was gleefully accepted by the Congress government to demolish this Prachin Mandir. Both of them are equally responsible, because had the municipality board headed by BJP not taken the decision, and the Congress government is equally to be blamed, they could have easily said that we reject the decision, because under any municipality act, the chief minister and the state government have a discretion. But they also accepted and then went ahead and demolished that mandir. Well, first of all, BJP should take action against their own party members who are sitting in majority in that municipality board. Why did they agree to the demolition of that mandir? What action will BJP take on those people? And why did the Congress government went ahead and demolished it? Because I don't see any difference between BJP and RSS. RSS should first apologize for the decision taken by their own people in that municipality board. Will RSS condemn the decision taken by that municipal board? Let them condemn that first. Yes, the people of Alwar have all the right to raise against slogans against anyone. That is their democratic right. But the fact of the matter is that municipality board was headed by BJP. They took a decision, and the Congress government immediately accepted a decision and demolished that mandir, which I condemn that decision.
बैरिस्टर ओवैसी ने कहा है कि जहांगीरपुरी में जो इन्हदामी कार्रवाई अंजाम दी गई, इसमें 85% मुसलमानों का नुकसान हुआ। इन्होंने कहा कि इन्हदामी कार्रवाई से कब्ल कोई नोटिस नहीं दी गई। बीजेपी के रियासती सदर के मशवरे पर जहांगीरपुरी में इन्हदामी कार्रवाई अंजाम दी गई।
When it comes to Jahangirpuri, a bulldozer was taken to a masjid and demolished the gate. Whereas the same mandir, the BJP people told them that please you remove that encroachment, so-called encroachment. A bulldozer had demolished a Muslim khabar in that place, and opposite that Muslim grave was a mandir which was untouched. And majority of the demolition that took place in that particular area, 85% belong to one particular community, that Muslim community. Yes, I agree. Even our Hindu brethren, their shops were illegally demolished. Alwar, how are they same? Please tell me. In Delhi, was any notice served on them? Here in Alwar, a municipality board had taken a decision to demolish that mandir, and BJP was in power in that, they are a majority in that municipality board. And the Congress government accepted a decision, they could have rejected the decision. But in Delhi, you have not even served a notice. You have violated your own municipal act. Section 324 of that municipal act says notice should be served. You didn't serve that notice. You took action in Delhi based on a letter written by the Delhi BJP chief to the mayor that these so-called rioters are stone pelters, you go and demolish their shops and houses. This is what they have done. Whereas in Alwar, a municipal board BJP is a majority. They took a decision, which I condemn that decision. See, I have condemned the Alwar demolition of Mandir. But that decision was taken because of the BJP-headed municipality board. So their decision also has to be condemned. The Congress government accepting the decision and demolishing the Mandir also should be condemned. In Delhi, no notice was served. That demolition in Delhi took place because a Delhi BJP chief have written a letter violating the principles of natural justice and violating section 324 of that act. That demolition in Delhi has weakened the rule of law of our country. And what the mob could not do on April 16th, that unfinished task was completed by the Union Government of Delhi.
कर्नाटक के उडुपी में हिजाबी तालिबात के इम्तिहान ना लिखने से मुताल्लिक बैरिस्टर ओवैसी ने कहा कि लड़कियों ने अपने एहतजाज को जारी रखा, वो अपने बुनियादी हक के लिए लड़ रही हैं। ये मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है और उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस सिलसिले में इंसाफ करेगा।
उनका हिजाब पहनना उनका राइट टू कॉन्शियस है, दैट इज देयर इंडिविजुअल डिसीजन, दैट इज देयर राइट टू प्राइवेसी। एग्जाम को जा रहे नहीं लिखने देना और वो उन्होंने अपना प्रोटेस्ट रजिस्टर करा रहे। हाँ, कोर्ट का डिसीजन है, कोर्ट का डिसीजन को वो लोग आप बैठने नहीं दिए, ठीक है, चले गए वापस घर को। अब आप बोलेंगे नहीं जबरदस्ती तुम्हारे को एग्जाम लिखाएंगे नहीं तो तुम्हारे गोली मार देंगे, बहुत तो अलग बात है। अरे आपको इतनी फिक्र है तो उनको हिजाब पहन के दो ना, उनको हिजाब पहन के एग्जाम लिखने दो। दूसरे रिलीजियस सिंबल्स पहन के एग्जाम लिख रहे, हिजाब पहन के नहीं लिख रहे, वो क्या बात है? मसला वही है ना, वही तो हम बोल रहे हैं। दूसरे रिलीजियस सिंबल्स पहन के अलाउ कर रहे हैं, आप सिर्फ हिजाब पहन के नहीं अलाउ कर रहे। ठीक है, कोर्ट का डिसीजन है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज हुआ है।